Really can't get any hotter.
Use the same formula to help you get what
back
you
again
want.
and again, pushing super bad plans, black ink and blue lines, chain smoking again. I pry my brain open, let the light seep in. Up early, 9 to 5, no time to sleep in. I'm daydream driving, missing exits again. I'm still brushing off that bad old dread again. Still making big plans in the pod, my friend. Steering to the nosedive, catch a crash land and breathe again. Let your sad shit in. It ain't as bad as it seems. When it's time, it's on me. Put my kicks in the sand, step up and be free. It's the MINDSTATE, the yin and the yang, spinning hunter chat to slang. Here I come, my son, running back to the ring. Only the right parts change if you're doing your best not to stay the same. Now say my name. Now I don't need life, but the life leave me. If I can't get it right, then I just get free. Good Lord, have mercy. I know they hurt me, bring the threat back, bring the urgency. Now I don't need life, but the life leave me. If I can't get it right, then I just get free. Good Lord, have mercy. I know they hurt me, bring the threat back, bring the urgency. If you don't stand in line, my man, you ain't shit. Forced into this daily basis. It's makeshift. If Lisa's feeling faces, I refuse to embrace this. They say I should accept the way the game is. Get a tie, be a name on the payroll list. Darn it! So close.
Will. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And he's a bar. Yeah. 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. Come on. 13. Come on. 14. Come on. Too late. Want a muffin? Crushing it. 15. Come on. 16. Come on. Fury. Come on. 18. Get that chin up. 19. Get that chin up. Chin up. Come on. Yeah. 33.
Same old shit, boy, it's got me going insane, so swift. The whole life as a gift, not to be lived like this. No excitement, no surprises. It got controlling crisis. I can't piss away this time cause it's priceless. To me, it's common sense, not revolutionary righteous. 7 days, but only 2 to do what I like with. The boss full type shit. Watch me flip the script right quick on this dick. I quit. Wanna tell him, man, these jobs ain't shit.
Far too many of us worry ourselves into an early grave trying to cope with things in our own little personal ways, without learning a few great laws that will take care of everything for us.
Now I don't need life, but the life need me. If I can't get it right, then I just get free. Good Lord, have mercy. I know they hurt me, bring the threat back, bring the urgency. Now I don't need life, but the life need me. If I can't get it right, then I just get free. Good Lord.
Get down, feel good to this. Get down, feel good to this.
Blow it up, dust. I'm about to tilt back this corona while I'm lounging in my house shoes. Long distance calls for an hour or 2. Cinnamon King sessions been more than a few. I just wanna chill today, how about you? Lazy Sundays, done, that's what it do. Hefty hang boys, yeah, I got those too. Man, I'm always a classic, no please after you. You telling me it's tragic, I wasted days for who? That's a bold statement, I can say that it's true. So I get my walk on, flashing deja vu. Catching tags and sticker bombs is proof I came through. For all my outsiders trying to stay go-to.
John Scott, he's in the finals. How are you feeling right now?
Sweater vest ready.
Yeah. You like it when people watch you when you climb?
I'm trying not to think about it.
The good energy, huh?
That is good energy. I'm just trying to look in the curls and hopefully.
Yeah.
I'll be ready to go, so take it easy now. If you're heavy in your soul, take it easy now. Steady, steady is the flow, it keeps calling. I want to ball as deep as it goes. So when the morning comes, I'll be ready to roll. It's those mind state boys, we get to ride every time. So let the bass vibrate and shake the dust off your spine. I got the good buzz, I get you feeling fine. I'm like some one-hit quick in the June sunshine. Holla pimps and fader, I'm a new with the rhyme. The bartender knows I take them two at a time. So you can catch me on the move, never standing in line. All the ugliest dudes get the baddest dime. If we don't have much, at least we have this life. We're not promised tomorrow, but we have tonight. It might sound wrong, but it feels so right. I don't wanna say goodbye, so I say goodnight. Believe me when I say everything is alright. Turn up the music, turn out the light. Burn up the useless, get it out of my life. Something just don't feel right. Take it easy now, if you're heavy in your soul, take it easy now. Steady, steady is the flow, it keeps falling. I wanna ball as deep as it goes. So when the morning comes, I'll be ready to go. So take it easy now, if you're heavy in your soul, take it easy now. Steady, steady is the flow, it keeps calling. I wanna ball as deep as it goes. So when the morning comes, I'll be ready to roll. DJ Hunter,
Yeah.
Mantis, Espo,
Yeah, John, you got this, brother.
Yeah, wait till you got around.
It's all you get in there.
Take it easy.
Yeah, John. Yeah.
Blow it up, Dust. I'm about to.
And the men's winner is Duffy Hutchins.
Yeah! Where's he at?
He won a $50 certificate to Sugar. And let's give the other guys a round of applause.
That's a bold statement, I can say that it's true. So I get my walk on, flashing deja vu. Catching tags and sticker bombs is proof I came through. For all my outsiders trying to stay go-to. It's nice outside and I got nothing else to do. If I had something on my mind, I would say it to you. So if you're alone or you're with your crew, just take it easy now. If you're heavy in your soul, take it easy now. Steady, steady is the flow, it keeps calling. I wanna ball as deep as it goes. So when the morning comes, I'll be ready to go. So take it easy now. If you're heavy in your soul, take it easy now. Steady, steady is the flow, it keeps calling. I wanna ball as deep